G'day guys, welcome back to GB Models. Just thought I'd show you this guy here. This is a MotoGP Honda NSR500 of Valentino Rossi's bike when he first, went to the 500cc in the MotoGP. I might just turn that down a bit. Better. The thing I liked about this bike, this was my very first MotoGP bike that I done. So, and I do apologise for hearing that squeak in the background. We'll turn this guy off so you can have a look at it from the side. And yeah, might leave it there, eh? Okay. Now, the thing I like about this bike is my very first MotoGP bike that I did. It's probably the first model that I've ever done, getting back into plastic models later on in my life. And I think I've done a pretty good job of this bike. I didn't get the upgrades with this because it was the first thing that I ever did. Not ever did, but get back into it. And it came up nice. This is a Tamiya 120 scale MotoGP bike. And I think it came up rather well. If I'd probably give this an 8 out of 10. Probably would have been a 10 out of 10 if I'd gotten the upgrades for it. But yeah, it went together well, this bike. The only thing you probably do notice that I've got to fix up on this bike is I accidentally painted the seat semi-gloss black, or gloss black I think it was, which is not a smart thing to do. I must have been thinking it was a Harley Davidson or something like that. So I've got to fix that up. I've got to take the seat off and fix all that up. But this was a very, very good bike that I did. Didn't do any carbon fibre on this bike at all. I just basically did this straight out of the kit, and just mucking around with some new colours, I guess, and with the frame particularly, I'm trying to get the consistency of the silver in the framework pretty much spot on, and using a lot of different silvers from either Tamiya or Zero Paints or Mr. Hobby. So but I very much like this bike, but I just thought to show you guys on that one, and I will be showing you a little bit more on what else I've done. So yeah, hope you like this one, and yeah, look forward to putting another one on. Until then, see you later.